Filing a complaint. The filing of a complaint with the court initiates the civil process. The complaint consists of plaintiff's statement of the causes of action. Federal court notice pleading. In federal court, the plaintiff is required to provide a short and plain statement of the claim showing that the pleader is entitled to relief. This is known as the federal notice pleading standard. The plaintiff need only generally notify the defendant about the claims for relief. In federal court, the amount of damages is stated in the complaint. The federal rules of civil procedure do not authorize naming DOE defendants, which are defendants whose identity are yet to be determined. California fact pleading. In California Superior Court, the plaintiff is required to set forth the essential facts of the case with reasonable precision and with sufficient particularity so the defendant knows the nature, source, and extent of the cause of action. California's code pleading standard, also known as fact pleading, requires a factual assertion for each element of each cause of action. The plaintiff is required to plead ultimate facts which constitute proof of that element. Failure to provide specific factual detail could lead to dismissal of the case if the defendant successfully files a demur to the complaint on the basis that the complaint merely states legal conclusions. In addition, the plaintiff bringing a civil case in California Superior Court must also file and serve a statement of damages. The amount of damages may not be included in the state court personal injury or wrongful death lawsuit, but a statement of damages must be filed once the defendant makes a demand or once the plaintiff seeks a default judgment. Furthermore, the amount of punitive damages may not be stated in the complaint by a plaintiff in California state court. Guardian ad litem. The parties named in a lawsuit may be an individual person, a business entity, or a government agency. Pursuant to California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 372, if the plaintiff is a minor, a person who lacks legal capacity to make decisions, or a person for whom a conservator has been appointed, a guardian ad litem must be appointed by the court to pursue the plaintiff's rights. The filing fee. Each court requires a filing fee unless the plaintiff qualifies for a fee waiver, in which case the plaintiff will need to file an application for fee waiver and a proposed order granting fee waiver. In California Superior Court, the filing fee is $435.